In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Amazon Prime Video. This is helpful when you move to a new country or need your Prime Video catalog and purchases to reflect a different region. We'll walk through the exact settings inside your Amazon account, and I'll share a few tips so everything updates smoothly without surprises. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the Amazon account that's linked to your Prime Video. Doing this on a desktop or laptop is easiest because the menus are clearer, but it also works on mobile browsers. Next, look to the top right and open the Account and Lists menu. Click it to go to your account dashboard. From here, you'll have a full view of all your Amazon settings. If your homepage looks different, don't worry. Amazon's layout varies slightly by region, but the option we need is the same. Scroll down until you find Manage Your Content and Devices. This is where Amazon keeps the controls for digital services like Kindle and Prime Video. And it's the place that determines your digital country setting. Once you're in, select the Preferences tab across the top. This tab holds your regional, language, and privacy options. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to load and make sure you're on the correct tab rather than Content or Devices. Now choose Country/Region Settings. This section shows your current country and the address associated with your digital services. Changing it will affect which Prime Video catalog you see and how purchases and rentals are handled in that region. Click Change. You'll see fields to update your country address. Enter your new address for the country you're moving to or want to use. Use accurate details: city, state, or province, postal code, and country. Because Amazon may verify this, and, in some cases, ask you to align a valid payment method with that country. A real local address helps avoid errors or content availability issues. When everything looks correct, click Update to save your new country setting. Amazon may prompt you to confirm, and occasionally it will ask you to review your default payment settings. After updating, it can take a few minutes for Prime Video to reflect the new region. If you don't see the change right away, try signing out and back in on Prime Video or restarting your app or device. Keep in mind that available titles, rentals, channels, and some subscriptions vary by country, and certain items might not transfer between regions. You can always repeat these same steps later if you need to switch again. That's it. Your Prime Video country is now updated. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new catalog.